Hey guys, welcome to linguamarina. Let's talk about AI, artificial intelligence. What's going on right now is crazy. Millions of people got access to ChatGPT, which is a new technology that can help you with anything from writing scripts to practicing your English. And today we're going to talk about ways you can utilize ChatGPT to improve your language learning process, to improve your skills. I am just fascinated by this technology. I'm going to demonstrate some features for you. It's like, I can't put this into words. Let's start. So you go to chat.openai.com and then you start chatting. So what's really important to remember, ChatGPT remembers your choices. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT that I want to speak American English. Of course, I'd be happy to help you practice American English. Just let me know what you'd like to practice or if you have any specific questions. So right away, it is offering me to practice English with it. And its capabilities are mind-blowing. I'm sorry, it's a little bit cloudy today, so the light is going to be changing. Anyways, now if you're wondering if this tool is able to correct your mistakes in English, oh yes, it is. I has a lot of friends. What is wrong with this sentence? Enter. The sentence is grammatically incorrect. The correct form should be, I have a lot of friends. Also, it is more common in American English to use contractions. Now it's teaching you already, right? I haven't asked it for, better ways to say this. It's more common to use contractions, so it would be more natural to say, I've got a lot of friends. Oh my God. Okay. So you already have a free conversation partner right here. You have a teacher who's going to correct your mistakes. Is it also a friend? Recommend 5 movies for intermediate learners. It is recommending. Oh my God, Forrest Gump. The Social Network. It also explains what the movie's about. The Grand Budapest Hotel. Okay. These movies are great to improve your English language skills, and I hope you enjoy them. And I'm pretty sure someday this technology is going to be able to create videos. It can already generate fake humans, and I'm pretty sure in 5 years, this technology is going to be able to generate me or any other teacher here on YouTube, and it will be able to create videos instead of us. This is a little bit scary, but whenever I encounter something like this, I try to learn as much as I can. I try to see ways how I can implement ChatGPT in my work. We've actually already asked ChatGPT to create some scripts for this channel, and honestly, it was amazing. Like if you ask it, top 20 most used American idioms. Like I'm not sure where it gets the information and whether the ranking is correct, but still, bite the bullet, cost an arm and leg, break a leg, the ball is in your court. All of the idioms that people use all the time. This makes your learning journey so much easier. Cultural insights. Why are American people so friendly? American people are considered friendly for a variety of reasons. Cultural values, optimism, hospitality, the idea of the American dream, historical roots, I like it, social norms. See? Cultural questions as well. So if you encounter something weird, remember I told you a story. If you've been watching this channel for a while now, when I first arrived in the US, like on a professional trip in 2015, I met a really important investor and he seemed really interested in what we were doing, but then he stopped replying. And I kept asking around why he did what he did. And then people explained that that was ghosting, and that's typical. Why do people ghost you? Ghosting is a term used to describe... And back then I was wondering, why would you ghost? Why would you do that? Why don't people just reply and say, I'm not interested, you're dumb, I don't know, whatever. See? Lack of emotional investment. Some people may ghost others because they were not emotionally invested in the relationship to begin with. Like, it explains that. It's also your therapist, right? ChatGPT, your free therapist. Now, of course, you need to understand this is not a real human, and it doesn't have all the information in the world. It has all the information up to 2021, but it's not very accurate if you ask a question about recent events. But the rest seems amazing. Another thing, since we're talking about learning a language, let's ask ChatGPT to create a study plan for us. I'm an elementary English language learner. Create a study plan for me. So it is creating a study plan for me right now. And it not only says what you should study, it also says what you should practice. Grammar, vocabulary, writing, reading. Oh my God, it is also creating a daily schedule. Now, what I also wanted to show you is that it remembers everything. Now, when I ask a question, now I can ask it to adjust the schedule. Adjust the schedule. I only have 30 minutes a day. Here's a revised study plan. It has 30 minutes a day to dedicate to language learning. So you don't need to repeat the question twice. You just ask for additional information, or you ask for some adjustments, and it does them. Now, another thing it can do, it can create quizzes for you and tests. Create a test to practice articles. Choose the correct article to complete each sentence. Now you can reply with the answer and see your results. This is incredible. I still can't process what happened in the world with introduction of ChatGPT. Now, let me know in the comments below. What do you think is going to happen in 5 years? Are we all going to be replaced, or just 80% of us? Now, I try to stay optimistic, and I hope you stay optimistic. What I want you to do, I want you to go ahead and explore the tool, try using it, sit down and think how I can use this tool to make my job easier. I made a video on Silicon Valley Girl on my other channel where I focus on business and entrepreneurship. I made a video about making money with ChatGPT, and you can borrow some ideas from there. But I would love you to think about this inevitable step when you will have to work with AI on a daily basis. And I'm sure we're going to have a lot more startups coming up with improved technology and more use cases. The last thing with ChatGPT that I wanted to show you today is asking it to help me sound more natural. It's raining cats and dogs outside. It's boring outside, right? It's raining cats and dogs is common, but what is the other way to say it more natural? It's boring. And I just asked to regenerate the response, and it says the sentence "it's raining cats and dogs outside" is already a natural sounding phrase in American English. This idiom is commonly used to describe heavy rain and is well known in the US. Interesting how it's changing its mind. At first it said replace "it's raining cats and dogs" with "it's pouring outside," and then it was like, okay, whatever. This is also natural. All right, this is exciting. This is scary. This is the future that we have to live in. So learn and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video up to the very end. Please do not forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends who are learning English and who need free practice and free advice. And please don't forget about human interaction. It is important to go out. It is important to see your friends, be with your family, walk, rest and spend some time without staring at a screen. I love you and thank you for following this channel. Bye.